Now we will draw the graph with the x-intercept, y-intercept, the point of intersections, and line of symmetry, and the range of this quadratic equation with all the points. Let's start with this example that y equal to 4x squared minus 6 minus 5x. Here, a value is equal to 4, which is greater than 0. The shape of this graph will be linear. B is equal to minus 5 and C equal to minus 6. So it is below each other. Now, first of all, the x-intercept. For x-intercept, you put y equal to 0. So you will write it as 4x squared minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Since it is a quadratic equation where we are going to use the factors method or the midterm breaking or the quadratic formula, so 4 into minus 6 is minus 24. So this minus indicates that the difference of the factors should be equal to minus 5 here. So 24 factors are 1 into 24, whose difference is 23, 2 into 12, whose difference is 10, 3 into 8, whose difference is equal to 5. So we will give the bigger sign to the higher values and minus sign to the opposite direction. So this equation will become 4x squared minus 8x plus 3x minus 4. So minus 6. Here 4x is common. So x minus 2 plus 3 is common. X minus 2 should be equal to 0. X minus 2 is common both, and that is 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So if this is 0, then x equal to 2, and if this is 0, then x equal to minus 3 by 4. So x intercepts are 2 and minus 3 by 4. Then the y-intercept. For y-intercept, put x equal to 0. So x squared, 4x squared minus 5x minus 6 was equal to y. We put x equal to 0. So y equal to 0 minus 0 minus 6. So that is minus 6 there. So y-intercept of this graph is minus 6 there. Then they are asking about the line of symmetry. Since vertex is going to lie at h and k there, where h is equal to minus b over 2a, and here b is equal to minus into minus 5 over 2 into 4, and that is equal to 5 by 8. So this is x coordinate of this vertex there. So k will be equal to f of 5 by 8, and that thing is equal to 4 into 5 by 8 square minus 5 into 5 by 8 minus 6. So this thing will be equal to 4 into 25 over 64 minus 25 over 8 minus 6. This 4 and 16 cancel. So it is equal to 25 by 16 minus 25 by 8 minus 6. If 16 is the LCM, it should be equal to 25 minus 50 minus 96. And that thing is equal to 25 minus. So vertex coordinates will be equal to 5 by 8 and minus 129. And now we will draw the sketch of this. X is positive, y is negative. So it should go in this part. The coordinate of this x are 2 and minus 3 by 4. So it is minus 3 by 4. Let's say that is 2 there. So the graph of this would be like this. Since vertex is at 5 over 8, so this is line of symmetry for this part. And for the last range is there, this value is equal to minus 121 over 16. So the range of this graph is greater than or equal to minus 121 over 16 because it is always going to go above that. And the y-intercept there is minus 6, minus 6, and this is the exact sketch of this quadratic equation with the help of all these points in this form there. Now we can recheck that whether it is right or wrong. You know that you will calculate b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 4 into minus 6. So that thing is equal to 25 minus minus plus 96 121, which is greater than 0. So it is going to cut the graph at 2 points, which we have seen it there that this at this point is the point of intersection on this graph here. So this is a complete sketch of the quadratics in this form, and we have drawn the sketch with the range and the line of symmetry there.